he's a worthy opponent, tremendous opponent, he still will not be good enough.
Normal na sa ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao ang kung ano-anong pang-aasar at pasaring tungkol sa kanya na kesyo maliit, mahina, matanda na, mabagal, wala na daw sa prime at kung ano-ano pang pangmamaliit mula sa mga nakakatunggali nito.
We're gonna end the legacy of Manny Pacquiao on November 5th and continue building Jesse's legacy. Pacquiao has losses before, so it's not an impossible task, and we're gonna exploit his weaknesses that we have noticed and conquer the moment, pass that torch, November 5th.
Halimbawa na lang ang naging pahayag ng kampo ng bagitong kampyon, lalong-lalo na ang malabakulaw na trainer nito na isa ding dating boksingero.
Even though he's a worthy opponent, tremendous opponent, he still will not be good enough.
Na kung sakaling magtagpo raw ang landas ng kanyang bata na isang kampyon at challenger na si Pacquiao sa ibabaw ng lona, ay tinitiyak nitong uulanin daw ng mga power punches si